In this video, we'll deploy Joomla on Cuemby Cloud. We begin by finding the image, configuring the necessary password to run the system, and selecting the computing and storage options. We then enable the public IP and automatic backup options and proceed to deploy the service. Joomla is an open-source CMS that allows you to create and manage websites, portals, and web applications from a single platform, offering a flexible experience for publishing content and easily managing the system. In a solution like this, the networking aspect is also important because, depending on the client's needs, the site can operate with internal connectivity or be enabled with a public IP for controlled external access. Finally, we verify that Joomla is operational and ready to start building and managing websites. We access the administrator portal and can confirm that the service is working correctly. In just a few steps, and with minimal effort during installation,